Good morning, Coriel's class.
Good morning, Mr. Ponder.
Today we finished dividing decimals. Can you divide a decimal?
Yes.
You good? Divide means to split into how many parts? Or into what kind of parts?
Equal parts.
Quotient would be the answer to a...
Division problem.
When you have a division problem, what number does the splitting?
Divisor.
So that's the number on the outside, right?
Yes.
On the outside of the division box. What number gets split?
Dividend.
That's the number on the inside, right?
Yes.
And then the quotient in a division box anyways goes up top, yes?
Yes.
This problem right here, 18 and 60 hundredths divided by 4. Anything special we need to do besides divide? No. The divisor is a whole number, right? All cool. The only thing that I'm concerned about is make sure you don't forget to put the decimal point in the quotient, right? Number 6. Anything special about this problem that we need to do? If you have 3/10 as the divisor and 3 6/10 as the dividend, what do I need to do? Bunny hop what? The divisor, because the divisor can't be a decimal when dividing, right?
Yes.
So bunny hop is the same as multiplying by a power of,
10.
and if we just did one bunny hop, it would be multiplying by 10, right?
Yes.
If I do it to the divisor, I must also do it to the,
Dividend.
so my new problem is 36 divided by 3.
Yes.
Okay. Probably a pretty important note for you as a 6th grader, yes? Word problem, for those of you that were missing the word problem, you got to get this down, but same idea. Why we do something like this, it would help you solve mysteries like this when you're talking about the CMS musical, and you can read that on your own. We cool?